Today, I will be making a very effective air freshener at home that gives a strong fragrance. I was using these air fresheners, but they only gave a very mild fragrance and they didn't last very long. Things required to make this air freshener: you will need a glass container, a multi-purpose cleaner with the fragrance of your choice, you will also need wooden dowels, or you can use long matchsticks. First, pour the multi-purpose cleaner into the glass container. Then, add about 10 sticks into the container. Make sure about half of the stick is sticking out of the container. You can also add more or less sticks depending on how much fragrance you want. Tip: make sure to keep it away from pets and kids. It would take about 1 day for it to spread the nice fragrance. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.